You can see we can have reached our near the top of the Rama Valley, but I'm quite disappointed by the road the government has constructed to the valley. I think it has a very dual nature. Uh, it will, on one side, it will promote the tourism, and on other side, uh, it will lead to cutting off cutting off trees and leading to deforestation. And secondly, the climate change will be very effective for the region, especially, but more and more traffic flow to this area will reach, which will ultimately reach lead to the climate change of this region. I think roads are very constructive things for development of any nation, but I think that in some cases it is very destructive, very destructive for nature. I think it is very destructive for nature because it induces the flow of tourists with more vehicles, more tourism, and more tourism population pollution. Tourism pollution, which will ultimately affect the very beautiful beauty of this valley. So I think that the government should also think before constructing such roads to such very beautiful valleys whose nature is very rich, and you can see such factors also be in consideration while making these roads. Thanks for watching. I am very exhausted now as I have walked nearly 15 kilometers from Eidgah to this point. My colleague Mr. Faizan, who is very young and who has no effect of height, neither any effect of walking such a long distance, despite putting a heavy bag on his back. So, Jawani fir nahi aani. Enjoy your youth, enjoy your youthfulness, and as we have done in the past. I think this, you can see the snow here. You can see the frost snow here, and you can see the beauty of the barren mountains on one side and forest mountains on the other side. Oh, what a contrasting beauty